Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a print-on-demand business on TikTok Shop. And I'm going to tell you exactly why you need to be on TikTok Shop right now. Print-on-demand plus TikTok Shop is by far the easiest and the cheapest way to build an e-commerce brand. You literally need zero investment. TikTok Shop has become incredibly important. It's the number one place for e-com brands to reach customers. Obviously, there are literally tons and tons of people on TikTok, billions of views every single day. And the cool thing about TikTok Shop is it's basically Shopify and Facebook and Instagram ads combined into one. It's both the storefront like Shopify is, right? Shopify is typically your storefront. On TikTok Shop, that's going to be your new storefront where people transact, where people buy products from you. But at the same time, it's also your traffic source. So it's thinking of like if you have a Shopify store, if you have traffic coming from Facebook and Instagram ads, or maybe you're even using TikTok ads to drive traffic to Shopify, what you can do with TikTok Shop and print on demand is leverage the massive organic traffic on TikTok and get some really great free traffic directly inside of the app. This all happens in the app. And the best part about this business model, right? TikTok Shop plus print on demand. There's zero fees, there's zero costs, there's zero risks. There's no monthly fees or operating expenses on TikTok Shop. You don't need to pick a plan or anything like that. Totally free to sign up. You don't even need to put in your credit card. With print on demand, as we know, we love it. It's our favorite e-commerce business model. Zero upfront product cost, zero inventory costs. You don't need any employees. You don't need a warehouse. You'll never touch the product. You'll never pay for it upfront. You get to sell products that don't exist and collect the payment up front. So we're looking at a perfect match here. That's why so many e-commerce brands have really focused on TikTok Shop. There's zero risk at all. There's actually zero cost, right? Absolutely zero cost to be on TikTok Shop. And if you want to learn the exact strategies I use for print on demand and TikTok, please take a look at my Pod Talk. Of course, you see the link directly below this video. Now, here are some great examples of TikTok shops. And I want to be clear about this. Everything or most of the things in terms of how consumers interact with TikTok Shop is going to happen on the app. So I'm going to bring you over onto my phone. So this is a brand I like called Rip and Dip. They have funny cat t-shirts and other apparel. And you see there's two search results over there. The first one being the shop. So when we click into the shop, you see that there's a little tabbed section here, home products, reviews, and you can curate what's going to be on your homepage here, like different sections and your top selling products and kind of all that good stuff. You see it's like an infinite scroll, right? We could just keep scrolling over here. It's going to keep loading products. So print on demand, apparel stores, right? That's a really huge advantage over here because you're going to be able to have that huge catalog, no problem with those no inventory products. So here is the product sections, kind of just like a all category here. And when you click into a product, of course, you see the different variants over here. So you can pick your size and your color. And you see the variant images over here. See the nice little add to cart animation. And you see everything that's on this product page. You know, return information, shipping information, seller reviews, related products, product description, right? More featured products. So see everything right front and center over here. And it's really easy to kind of navigate through here and see the reviews over here, right? This is obviously super important for your store. You have the home, you have the products, and then reviews, right? Just as important as any other tab there. So it's going to get a lot of visibility. We want to focus on getting reviews, especially when we can use them for UGC. You see all these really great visuals that we're seeing here from different reviews. This is what TikTok Shop looks like just in general when you browse to it from the TikTok app home screen. And it's going to show you related products, the things that you've been looking at, or maybe videos that you've been watching or brands you follow. Again, kind of infinite scroll over here. On the home page, you see different categories over here with, we got Black Friday coming up, so they showcase some upcoming Black Friday deals. Different categories are going to be basically just curated here up in the top navigation. And you're going to also see search, of course. You'll be able to do your niche searching in here. And you could imagine that as a consumer, you're really just kind of spending time in TikTok app. You're going to see products and videos, and you're also going to spend some time just browsing TikTok Shop and seeing what's shown there. So, you know, the more someone interacts with your product and brand, the more likely you're going to show up here in this kind of homepage or homepage for the shop, at least, inside of the TikTok app. See different variants and all that great stuff, right? You know, these are just kind of products from all different stores here that are showing up here in these search results and curated results here under the shop tab in the app. So how do you do it? It's 5 simple steps. Step 1, all you got to do, sign up for your free TikTok shop at seller.tiktok.com. Step 2, enter in all the required information. Make sure you're using your real info here. Don't use any fake or incorrect info. Step 3, just like you would on Shopify, you're going to install a print-on-demand TikTok Shop app. There's a TikTok Shop app store that I'll show you. Once you have the app installed, you're going to get designs created for your print-on-demand products. And with that, you'll be able to go ahead and add those print-on-demand products into your shop live for people to purchase. And really at no point do you see that you need to order any inventory. You don't need to have any employees. You don't need to have products ordered up front. You don't need to sign up for a monthly plan or anything like that. You're going to be able to get started ASAP. And let's go over the shoulder now. I'll show you exactly how to do this. So I'm at seller.tiktok.com. I'm going to enter into my seller account here. I'm already logged in. So I'm over here on a new shop over here. And you're going to see that you have different items over here on your left menu. And what we want to do is come over here into apps and services. And you'll see if we come under e-commerce management, or you could just search over here, print on demand, we're going to see different print on demand companies that have apps ready for TikTok Shop. And this is exactly the same as the Shopify App Store. We'll be able to add these different print on demand providers into our store, which will then allow us to add print on demand products. And you see that I've already installed the Printful app. You can get to your installed apps over here, and then you click Service Login. I'm already logged in over here in my store, and I'm going to show you now in Printful how we're going to add some print-on-demand products into our TikTok Shop. But before we can add any product, we need a print-on-demand design. And here's a little example of a cat graphic that I have, and it's typically going to be a .png file for your design. So you're going to have this, you'll typically get it from a graphic designer, freelance, or something like that. And once you have your print-on-demand design, you're ready to come over here in the Printful app and click Add Product. This is going to bring up their massive print-on-demand catalog, and we can literally launch any of these products into our TikTok Shop, and we never have to order them up front. We never need to pay for them up front. We don't need to worry about what sizes are in stock or anything like that. You can just come through here and take a look at huge amounts of different products. We'll just go with a basic t-shirt over here, but the idea works the same for any of them. And this is one of the better products here, the Soft Style Gildan shirt. And what's going to happen is it brings up the designer. And as you see over here, it says upload or drop your design here. Well, guess what we're going to do? We're going to take that print-on-demand design, right? This cat design. We're going to take that .png file and drop it right here. So I dropped the file in there. It's now uploading onto the shirt. And you're going to see that now we have a product that, looks like it exists. A typical, just a t-shirt that would be in any store. You could do back prints. You could do outside label, inside label. You could add left sleeve, right sleeve design, right? We're just going to go with that one-sided print over here. You can make it smaller, right? You can move it around. You can position it how you want. Full control over how it feels. And remember, this is called a mock-up over here. This is what it's going to show in our store, but this product doesn't exist until someone orders it. That's the true beauty of print on demand. So we'll come over here, we'll click continue. We're going to give it a few more options, or fill in a few more options over here. We'll go with our mock-ups in terms of how it's going to look. We have different looks here in terms of flat. We could have model mock-ups. You could have seasonal mock-ups as well. Different styles, different ways to showcase. We'll go ahead with this one. Click continue here. We're going to give it a title here. So we'll say Good Pets logo t-shirt, and we could put something else in here. Limited edition, brand new release. Right? Put in your marketing text there, all that great stuff. Put in our sizing chart as well. See, we're now going to click continue over here where we're going to set our pricing. Okay, and we can go ahead and set our price overall, let's say to, $24.99. And you see we're going to make about $15 every single time we sell this product. And remember, the product doesn't exist. It will only exist once someone goes on our TikTok Shop and pays us first. Best part about print on demand, right? We get to sell products that don't exist, collect the money, keep the profit, and everything else happens automatically. In this case, Printful will go ahead and produce this product, ship it off to the customer. They'll even send the tracking number on your behalf. So this is going to now get imported right into our TikTok Shop. It says right here, uploading product to our TikTok Shop. It's all that we need to do. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside of our shop. Now you see inside my store, you see the product added. Here's the home section of my store. It's got all my different products in there. Go back over to the products tab, and you see that exact Good Pets logo t-shirt that I created. There's that mock-up that I selected. It's got all your product description, all that great stuff. Pulling in here automatically. Very, very easy to manage here. It's just a couple clicks and you have a live product right into your store. And that's the power of print on demand for TikTok Shop. And the best part, when someone orders this product, everything is fully automated. You don't need to do anything at all. The print-on-demand company automatically steps in, produces the shirt, ships it out to the customer, and sends them the tracking number on your behalf. So once you make the sale, your job is done. So again, if you want to do this the right way, if you want to follow my exact strategies for print-on-demand on TikTok Shop, make sure you take a look at the link directly below this video, printondemandtalk.com. It's Pod Talk, my course. Again, you see the link directly below this video. Tons and tons of great content in there. Going to walk you through not only the step-by-step strategy, how to get everything set up, but all the operational things, how to manage your store and how to do marketing, how to get organic TikTok traffic, how to use the TikTok affiliate program, which is really powerful. Everything step-by-step. A lot of great bonuses as well. You see the link directly below this video. But print on demand and TikTok, incredible business model when you use TikTok Shop, and really incredibly easy to get started because there's no risk. So I hope this video helps you out. Make sure you jump into this great business model, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.